Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is part 2 of how to clean and maintain your leather strap. If you guys want to check out more videos like this, hit that subscribe button, smash the bell button so you can get updated every time I post videos just like this. Alright guys, so if you've seen my how to maintain and wash your Rolex, you probably already know how to do this, but this is another video so you can check out how I clean this oris. So first thing we got here is our Dawn dish soap, our electric tool brush, our oris watch with the leather bands removed, and the clasp. So first thing we're going to do here is we're going to make sure our crown is screwed in, and we know that this is a 100-meter water resistant watch. So we'll get a little bit of the Dawn dish soap here, and we will pre-soak our toothbrush right there just like that. And we'll grab our oris and give it just a little dunk of this water. So this water here is I left out for a little bit just to get the room temperature so I don't shock the watch. And once we get that going, we can turn on our brush and start cleaning this guy right up. Once you have that watch all washed up, you can just go here and dry it all off. And as soon as your leather bracelet is ready and dry, you can apply the conditioner on it, which I'll show you guys as soon as mine dries right up. Left them for about 3 hours just to let them dry out a little bit. They're a little bit moist, both of them, and they are ready for the application of the intensive care lotion. So what I have here is a cotton cloth, and what I'm going to do with this lotion is I'm going to basically wax it into it. at them. Looking really nice. How about this one? Looking really nice. Look at that. Doesn't crack anywhere. It's fully hydrated. Feels really smooth. It's going to be really nice. Now, once I have them all brushed down, I'll just get a little pick like this and clean out these holes over here. Taking the excess out. So I'll start by installing the clasp back. So what we're going to do with the clasp here is get it in the correct position that we have to get it into, and grab the spring bar, the small spring bar, because this one is different from the ones that go on the actual case. Now what we're trying to do here is just get it to lock into position there. So you have to push the spring bar downward just so that it can slide underneath the clasp. And once you get it to hook on there, you'll feel it locked in place. And just give it a few pulls and move it side by side just to make sure it's in place. So once you get that, you have your bottom section ready to go. You know that the clasp is on the 6 o'clock position, so this will go in the 6 o'clock position of the watch, and then this will go on the 12. So the way we do that is we grab the spring bar. Just as I said, this just gets pushed in by a little fork or a little flat screwdriver. So we'll place this in here, and we'll grab the watch and just align it in position and bring it to the back of the watch here. Always do it on the case back, never on the case front. And once you know it's in position and that's locked in, just give it a couple of yanks. Make sure that it's locked in position, and we'll grab the 12 o'clock position and install it on the case. So again, just like the other one, we'll pop it in just like this. We'll line it to the first hole. Get your little flat pin or fork, just push it in, always on the case back, and lock it in position, just like that. Give it a couple yanks, make sure that it's in place, and you can place it back in the position that it was for when you're ready to wear. Now you can let it dry 24 hours and you'll be good to wear it. Thanks guys for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you want to see more about this watch or more watches that we have coming up. Hit that subscribe button, hit the bell, and you'll get updated every time I post new videos. Thanks guys, have a good night.